Today's tutorial, removing video background. From your browser, type remove video background. Click on screen remove video background. This will appear on your new tab. Check on the video first before uploading it. Once confirmed, upload your video by simply dragging your file. Wait while your video background is being removed. You can immediately download it or change your video background from the video background library. These video backgrounds are free to use. For tutorial purposes, I will download the transparent version and use the video background in Canva video library. Comment down below if you want more tutorial like this.